Hey, the fastest growing industry in 2024 that doesn't require a college degree or high school diploma. Are you ready? The number one fastest growing industry in the US, according to Forbes magazine, is an industry that you do not need a college degree or a high school diploma. You don't need to have previous experience. You don't need a social media following. All you need is a smartphone, Wi Fi, and 2 to 3 hours a day to learn the skills of how to make six figures online. This is digital marketing. I started about a month ago and I promote four done for you interactive digital products in the e learning industry. These products have created five self made millionaires in South Africa alone inside our amazing global community. Look, it's a 2 hour workflow and I still have 22 hours to do whatever I want to. And that is because of my automated systems working for me in the back end. It's working 24/7. Look, if you want to learn more about digital marketing and how you can promote done for you digital products as a beginner, drop 2024 in the comments and I'll get you all the info.